Hey everyone, my name is Terry. This is Tara.
Hi.
We have Sis and we have Bubba. We want to welcome you to our very first episode of CWA, which stands for Cincinnati Weekend Adventures. Every weekend, we are taking you on adventures with us around the beautiful city of Cincinnati. Today we are going to the United States' second oldest zoo. Opened in 1875, we are visiting the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens.
He found his real nose. It's a weird
There's Tamara. Hey! Look at handsome man. Is this your first time on camera? Hi dear.
What's yours? I did not find it. You work at Rand, that's where our interest is. Okay, there's your sign. You need a picture. No, you have it.
It's so crowded here, it looks like a zoo.
They do. Oh, you know.
So, a little fun fact. The Cincinnati Zoo is where I proposed to Tara. In case you didn't know. Looks like a house cat.
Yeah. I'll take him as a pet.
You look like an alien. You're blue.
It's because it's shining. Like, thank you.
Go to camera.
What is wrong with
I personally do not like filling up my water bottle because I feel like there's a hair in my throat every time I drink it.
It's got stung right there. It hurts really bad.
You were stung today by what?
Baby wasp. I saw it on me and I came up to slap it and it just stung me.
There's Fiona.
picture with us.
Fun fact about Fiona the hippo, she is the smallest hippo to ever survive. She was born 6 weeks premature. What an eagle. Zoo ripoff.
We'll go in a building.
Okay, I'll take one.
It wasn't supposed to.
We better,
Whoa!
Yeah.
come on, let's go get on the train.
We're gonna go get one.
We're going to the train. I'm going on the train. We're the Kevin Island monkeys. Want me to go with her?
Little man.
Yep.
Yep, Trevor.
Is anybody you know going to be here?
Sarah should be. I don't have my phone on me.
It's,
Stop giving your baby.
If you're going to pick your baby,
Stop, put your feet down. Look, it says put your feet.
oh, little man, missing the train ride. Is this his first train ride?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's your alarm. Wake up, kid.
Over the lake.
Having some major problems here on this train. We're having a hard time getting across.
We can get out here.
Yeah, let's walk in.
Oh, there's where we get the van. Look, we're not going that way. Follow
I
me.
feel it. I felt it.
I did too. Let's see what's that.
The love of my life.
Cousins? Oh, so we're all cousins. Never mind.
So are we, everybody about ready to walk out?
Landon. Henrietta.
That's mine.
That's yours? That's not yours.
Papa's eating a veggie burger.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Yeah, right. He doesn't like it.
Didn't he try that?
Your dad, you try it.
Hey, sit down.
I come in too, okay?
Scared.
Try it.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Put ketchup on it, man. It's like armpits.
Oh, no. Trimmer!
Armpit. Have you licked Tara's armpits before?
No. And that's a wrap, guys. We enjoyed the Cincinnati Zoo and hope you did too.
Siwa! Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest building in the United States Zoo. Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest part of the zoo in the United States. The reptile house is the oldest
You didn't
zoo.
say fun fact.
Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest building in the United States. Fun fact, the reptile house is
You
the
didn't say
old.
fun fact. Go.
Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest zoo building in the United States.
Birding.
Fun fact, the reptile house is the oldest zoo building in the United States.